Hello everyone. Grabe. Grabe 'tong post ng Daily Tribune, guys. Nako, Daily Tribune na talaga ng post nito, ha. Grabe, hindi basta-basta yung Daily Tribune. So, naaalala niyo 'tong, post ng admin, yung picture ni BBM na, um, na nag-ano siya, naglibot siya dun sa nasunugan yata 'to, 'di ba? Tapos 'di ba nakita niyo yung fireman, tingnan niyo, oh, 'di ba yung paa niya, grabe yung paa niya, guys, ano pala 'yan, alam niyo yung tumatagos. Tumatagos sa pader, grabe, grabe, 'di ba? Oh, sa picture lang 'yan, guys, grabe na sobrang dami, nag-viral talaga siya kasi alam mo yung puwede naman sana kahit siguro ako kaya kong i-edit 'yan, mas maganda pa. Alam mo yung hindi talaga mahahalata na edited. Ano ba 'yan, sobrang pinapalabas talaga nila na alam mo yung sobrang hina ni BBM, parang pinalalabas talaga nila na budol si BBM kasi tingnan mo yung pagka-edit, 'di ba? Tapos okey lang kung yung mga tao lang nag-edit, yung mismong admin pinost 'yan, grabe naman. Sabi dito, guys, ng Daily Tribune, "Good luck making BBM make sense." So this is a commentary, guys. Sabi dito, "The Marcos communications team has one job, to make him look like he knows what he's doing. And after 3 years, they've fully succeeded in making it obvious that he doesn't." Dun pa lang, guys, as in tawang-tawa na talaga ako, grabe. Wow! 'Tong Daily Tribune baka sabihin na naman nila ano 'to, binabayaran 'to, eh. They're saying Jay Ruiz might be out, might be replaced. That's the rumor. Honestly, we're shocked he was still in. We thought he left months ago. We hadn't heard a single thing from the guy. Nobody had. Jay Ruiz? Rings a bell? Probably from the next station. Doesn't sound like the voice of government. More like a stop between nothing and nowhere. Forgettable. And somehow always under maintenance. And now they say they're bringing in a new guy, Dave Gomez. Guy worked in tobacco and make it great. Guess some smarts figure. If we can't make the president sound smart, maybe we can at least make him addictive. Nice. If spin were a cigarette, he's the filter. Because the president has had what? Four? Four secretaries in 3 years? Remember Trixie? Cheloy? Sounds like the distant cousin of Auntie Ate Chona. You know what that tells us? The president's not hard to work with. He's impossible to defend. Nobody lasts because it's not a communications job. It's a fall guy job. Total joke. Weak messaging. Tribune does it better on Facebook. And we got restricted. Wow! Wow, wow, wow! Kudos to you, Tribune. Daily Tribune yun, guys. Grabe, no? As in, alam mo yung real talk talaga yung admin dito, eh. So, sabi naman, may nag-comment si June Santos, sabi niya, "You may be restricted, but you won me over. Now think, how many new followers now seek out your witty commentaries henceforth, regardless of restriction? We will find, read, and share your posts here on FB and elsewhere. Lol, I love your commentary. Super witty, but it got you restricted. Tagos sa pader, lols." Tagos sa pader yung paa at saka yung commentary. Comment na naman mga nagmamarunong na edited yung photo kesyo tumagos. Siyempre naman, 'di ba pader yan? Ilang beses ko binasa yung comment ko, wala akong sinabing edited. Budol Pilipinas, AIDS as if doing something. Hoy! President is nasamad ka lol. Nasamad ka cool pala. Galing sa inyo, gusto nyo. Keep it up, Daily Tribune. We are here if nasa right way ang mga MSM. Looks like photoshopped. Akala mo talaga may naitutulong. Why does it look fake? I love the message. Keep it up, Daily Tribune. Auntie Claire survived. Si Auntie Claire po oo nga pala, si Auntie Claire. Secretary, undersecretary pala siya no ni BBM. Marami naman achievement si PBBM kasi nabuwag niya ang mga drug lord, pogo scammers, human at sex traffickers, mga gun for hire groups, at mga espiya ng China. Good job, sir. Noon sinasabi lang ng mga DDS onsehan sa droga tapos wala na di na iimbestigahan ng pulis. Noon mahigit 10 araw-araw ang patay ng riding tandem pero walang nahuhuli. Ngayon pa isa-isa na lang kada araw, minsan wala pa. Sir, are you joking? Ilang are you joking or naka-hit-hit ka yata eh? No hope na admin ni BBM matapos na puro Duterte lang inaatupag, haha. Deal or no deal? Count Trixie out. An opportunist, once an anti-Marcos senior activist, then became pro-BBM. When she was axed, once again became anti-Marcos. We have more respect to the damn leftist. Are at least they know which side they are. Of course, they are in the side of the truth. Magpapatuloy ka sa pagsuporta dyan kung hindi naman talaga mabuti, no? Until the last day of his term, he will make the Philippines a laughing stock. Sabi ni JC Zeksan. Correct. Sabi ni Giovanni Diaz, and now they put such a gross doll puppy barking to everyone who tickles her boss, barking without knowing what is really her reasons to bark. What a shame. Parang si Auntie Claire yata yung sinasabi ni Sir Giovanni Diaz eh. Kayo guys, anong masasabi nyo? Kayang-kaya 'to guys i-edit ng anak ko. Grabe. Sobrang simple. Alam mo, hindi mo na lang bakit kasi tumagos pa sa pader yung paa ng fireman, 'no? Gano'n lang talaga, yun lang. Puwede naman sana hindi, para naku talaga. Lahat sila, alam mo yung communications office dapat grabe ang daming pera ninyo para hindi kayo makapag-hire ng magagaling na editor 'no? Grabe naman talaga 'to. So guys, anong masasabi niyo? Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day everyone. God bless. Bye.